regulated and non-regulated provinces. Now, in regulated provinces, there is a college of massage established by the government that oversees any individual that is performing massage and calling themselves a massage therapist. Now, in a regulated province, you must sit for an exam that is controlled by the College of Massage Therapists based upon educational training that is part of what's referred to as an interjurisdictional document. So, an interjurisdictional document is an agreed upon document where the regulated provinces from across Canada have agreed to assure that the minimum requirements for massage therapists in the way of education are those items that are checked off in the interjurisdictional document. So once you've sat for an exam in one regulated provinces, you will not have to resit an exam should you decide to move to any of the other regulated provinces. So that's what occurs in a regulated province. In non-regulated provinces, we have really no controls over the massage therapy sector. There are some associations that act as the voice for massage therapists, but there is no actual control, such as in the province of Manitoba. There is nothing preventing any individual from going out and hanging up a shingle and calling themselves a massage therapist and opening up a practice. So in a non-regulated province, you may have multiple different schools providing multiple different types of curriculum at different levels. It may not, or it may or may not meet the educational standard of the interjurisdictional document that was agreed upon by the regular provinces. So it really is a lot of buyer beware situation in a non-regulated province to some degree, even though all regulated schools or all schools within the province that issue a diploma have gone through the private vocational schools department and have the opportunity to provide education, training massage therapists. So, if you have taken your training in a province that is non-regulated, for example, then what you might be faced with a situation is that your schooling or your education may not necessarily be accepted or approved by a regulated province or any other regulated, non-regulated province even. So it really is your responsibility to do a lot of research to make sure that the school educational program that they're providing is going to meet the requirements as part of your long-term goal. Right? So because of this variance that there can be within education, well, what was determined was that needed to be an independent third party created for assessing schools in their ability to meet the interjurisdictional document as well as other requirements as an educational facility. So what was created was the Canadian Massage Therapy Council for Accreditation, which is the accrediting body for massage therapy schools. Now, in time, it is just newly established, but in time, what it'll be is that all schools in regulated provinces will have to be accredited, and those schools that are from outside of regulated provinces may have the choice to apply for and go through the accreditation process, become an accredited school. What does this mean to a student applying? What it means is that the accrediting agency is going to be an independent third party that will come in and they will do an in-depth evaluation of the school's ability to meet the interjurisdictional document as well as other provincial requirements that are set out in the standards of the accreditation organization. So for a student that's out looking to become a massage therapist, going to a school that has gone through an accreditation or holds an accreditation certification as part of their facility can assure you that that what the school tells you is in the course content will be found in the course content. You will be prepared to do those examination processes should you decide to possibly move on to a regulated province. Now, having said that, I want to make sure that you're aware, anyone hearing this is aware of the fact that just because a school has gone through an accreditation process, it does not mean it's the only requirements for you to sit a provincial exam. There may be other additional requirements such as criminal vulnerable sector checks, criminal record checks, and other standards that are set by the College of Massage in a particular province. But having gone through an accredited school, at least your program, your as to meeting the interjurisdictional document, those requirements will have been met to the satisfaction for the different colleges of massage. So it's really important for anybody that's looking into becoming a massage therapist that they take accreditation into serious consideration. Now, this is a new process, just starting out. It's going to take up to 7 to 8 years to have all the schools across Canada given the opportunity to go through accreditation. Um, our college is very proud of the fact that we were one of the first pilot schools to be looked at in the accreditation process. So as they were developing accreditation, they actually did an on-site component here at our college that went over very positively. We learned a few things in the process, but we showed very highly in that area. Now, as soon as the accreditation process is opened up and schools can start to apply to go through, it is our intent that our college will be performing that task, and we hope to be doing that before the end of 2017. For those of you that are interested in coming and taking your education at Wellington College, please keep an eye on our website, and you'll be able to see updates as to how we are proceeding through the accreditation process. So, have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.